Here's a quick demo of the new Auto Variable Stream tool in GCPARM. The manual variable stream tool is still available. Nothing has changed there. If you are familiar with ProTRAX, you can use it as before. To the right of the manual tool is the new Auto Variable Stream tool. It is a separate tool altogether. To use the new Auto Variable Stream tool, move your cursor around and look for center points. Look for a center point between two ports you might want to connect. If that connection is available and legal, you get a red line that shows you that those two ports can be connected. Through careful placement of the cursor, you can select two ports to connect. When it's time to make a connection, one left click changes the line from red to blue. Once you have a blue line, you're invited to use the scroll wheel on your mouse to scroll through different shapes for the final variable stream. When you find the shape you want, the second left click finalizes the new variable stream. Should you accidentally make a connection that you didn't intend, a right click will abort the new connection. Sometimes, module alignment is required. One of the shapes available in these cases has a module alignment built in. Once you become proficient at using the new tool, drawing new variable streams can be accomplished much more quickly than before.